Hi, I'm Jeremy Crosby.
And I'm Nick Boucher. We're your hosts for the program that's all about your city, Talking Fitchburg.
Every weekday, we pull together the news, events, and information you need to stay on top of what's happening in the city of Fitchburg.
Find Talking Fitchburg on cable TV, Roku, Amazon Fire, Apple TV, and our live stream on the web. Plus, you can find all our headlines and stories on Facebook, YouTube, and our video on demand service. This is your city.
Keep up with Talking Fitchburg and the issues affecting you and your neighbors.
Want to know what's happening in your city? Get Notify Me messages from the City of Fitchburg. Visit fitchburgwi.gov on your computer or mobile device and select the big Notify Me button on the left. Enter your email and/or phone number, whichever is best for you to get notifications. Scroll down the list and select all the topics you're interested in to receive email or text messages about. You'll be notified every time one of your topics is updated. Sign up for Notify Me, one more way to keep up with your Fitchburg government.
Welcome to the June 18th, 2025 Police and Fire Commission, PFC meeting. The meeting will now come to order. Second item on the agenda, please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Item 3 on the agenda, public appearances for non-agenda items. Seeing none, we will move on to the following item on the agenda. Item 4, report from the fire department. But before you get into your report, what I'd like to do is take a moment to welcome our new chief, Scott Sauber, who's joined us for the first Police and Fire Commission this evening.
Yes, well, I'm happy to be here.
Chief Sauber,
Thank you.
we're pleased to have you, Chief, and look forward to working with you as you lead the Fitchburg Fire Department. Your experiences and your leadership will be invaluable to our community. And we're excited about the future under your direction.
Same here. I'm absolutely excited to be here and look forward to it.
All right, next item, 4A, staffing report.
Do the whole deal or just
Yeah, they have the whole report.
Okay.
So we just kind of review it, go over it with them, and then if they have any questions at the end.
All right, sounds good. So for 2025 May, total calls 234. Our most common calls obviously are EMS, then still alarms, motor vehicle accidents, and responded to 2 structure fires. Completed 189 inspections in the month of May, and I know they're gearing up to start the second rounds of those for this year. As far as staffing goes, we are at 20 career staff with the addition of myself. And then part-time staff, we're at 31, giving us a total of 51. As far as overtime goes, up quite a bit from last year, 643 and a quarter hours for May. And then that resulted in 2 mandates for a total of 20 hours. So the mandates are down from the prior month. Overtime is up from the prior month. And again, we've already had very good conversations with strategies to try and reduce that on the staff. We have 3 new interns as well that we swore in on Monday. They're doing good. They're diving right into the training right now, and we're excited for those folks. And the new second years have moved over to their new quarters, so lots going on, lots of training, so very exciting time. I think that's about it, right?
Okay, great. Are there any questions? Okay, if there's no questions, we'll move on to item 4B on the agenda. as closed session, and I will move us into closed session. Pursuant to section 19.85, subsection 1, subsection C, Wisconsin statutes, the commission will move into closed session for the purpose of considering employment, promotion, compensation, or performance evaluation of any public employee over which the governmental body has jurisdiction or exercises responsibility, more specifically to make conditional offers to POX candidates.
I'll second.
All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
All opposed, say no. We are in closed session. We are now back in open session. Is there any action to be taken on items discussed during closed session?
I'll make a motion to accept 2 candidates recommended for paid on-call positions pending background checks.
Is there a second?
I second.
All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
All those opposed? Motion passes. Next is item 5, announcements. Are there any announcements, updates, reminders we need to get before the commission? Okay. Hearing none, we'll move to the next item on the agenda, adjournment. We need a motion to adjourn.
I move that we adjourn the meeting.
Second.
Second.
All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Meeting is adjourned.